Hey guys, this is a girl Goody Goddess another time with an unboxing. This is a different kind of unboxing. My sister, I live in Florida. We have a lot of fruit trees, but one of my favorite fruits is Jew plum also. You know I love jackfruit and watermelon. Jew plum is one of my favorite fruit too when I was back home. I get it sometime here, but I haven't seen it as much. But where my sister at, she is also in Florida, but that's a different part in Florida. So she shipped me a box with Jew plum. So guys, I'm gonna open my box with my Jew plum, and a lot of people, I'm not gonna be calling no name, and per se if I would call name like Miss TikTok girl, she's gonna have a fit because she not getting none. So oh my god, look guys, it's a lot of June plum. June plum. Simone, don't worry, you got some. I'm gonna get some for you. Karen, you're too far. Miss TikTok girl, you're too far. So I can't ship it again because it was shipped to me, so I can't ship them to you. I'm sorry, I wish you was close. So guys, my fruit, I love June plum, so I'm gonna peel a couple of them with some salt and a little tahini, and guys, I'm gonna show it to you when I finish. Okay, I don't know how much. I think it's around 30 in the box. That's it. Thank you, Shauna. Thank you, my darling. Thank you for my plums. Thank you, appreciate it. Guys, they're all here. I think it's 30, so this is gonna last me a couple of days. If the girls them want, it's not gonna last too long. I'm gonna give Simone a couple, and I know it's not gonna last too long. Finish, I peel it, and I put the tying on it. I don't put a lot. Look, I just bought this bottle, and it's almost finished. I didn't put a lot in it. So guys, this is my unboxing June plum, and the finishing up of my June plum. I'm gonna eat these five rather, for today. This is the finishing up of my June plum. Enjoyed it.